Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix to change store. You must first cancel your Apple Music subscriptions in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone or iPad, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to change your country or region and your Apple ID, you must see an error which is to change store. You must first cancel your Apple Music subscription. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So now to fix this, you have to go back from here, open your settings app, and here tap on your Apple ID. And here just tap on subscriptions, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending subscription there. If you find, just try to cancel or delete all the subscriptions you have in your Apple ID. So after canceling or deleting the subscriptions, you might not get this type error. Or you can also try to check for your Apple Wallet if you have remaining credit balance in the Apple Pay or in the Apple Wallet. So you can try to spend all the remaining balance, and after that, you might not get these errors again. So after doing this, you can easily change your Apple ID country or region. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.